What's up, guys? So I got my first case for the Xiaomi Mi 9T, and let's go ahead and check it out. The case says just case, mobile case, and it doesn't have a brand, but I'm looking on Amazon right here and it's saying it's made by Bettop. It's anti-fingerprint, shockproof, carbon fiber design. So let's go ahead and check it out for $6. I don't like spending like $20, $15 on a case, especially when the phone is like $300. So I'm hoping that this is going to be in a good case, but so far it is a soft touch case. I thought it was going to be like a hard kind of case. So as you guys can see, I have the case that comes with the Xiaomi Mi 9T out of the box, but as you can see, there's no rays on this thing, so if you drop it, you know, you have a good chance of cracking the screen, and we definitely do not want that because this has a really good display. You spend $300 on it. So as you can see, I'm gonna just go ahead and give it a good wipe down with my shirt real quick. Try to get all the fingerprints and stuff off. So it's looking halfway decent. Go ahead and slide it on. Okay, so there is a little bit of rays on here, but not as much as I thought was going to be on here. But there is some rays on here, but it does protect more of the phone. As you can see, the cutouts are all very clean. Let's go ahead and check that pop-up camera. So that works, no problem. And yeah, the cutouts are clean, and it feels good in the hands. So it doesn't feel too bad, too thick. It feels pretty good. As you can see, we got the little carbon fiber right here. I guess it's on the top and on the bottom. Looks very nice. They have this case in different colors. They do have it in black, silver, and red. And like I said, $6.89. It'll do a better job protecting your phone. But my only thing with this case is the rays. I expected it to be a little bit more like up, but it's fine. But this should protect your phone better than you know, the case out of the box, and you're not spending a ton of money. So guys, I was looking on Amazon, and there's not a whole bunch of cases with a really high raise for the front. So what you're gonna have to do is get a glass screen protector. If you're really you know, scared of cracking the display on this phone, get a glass screen protector to go with your case as well. Usually I'm pretty good with not breaking my phone, so yeah, so it feels good in the hands. Like I said, it's not too thick to where it's uncomfortable. It doesn't make it a big chunky phone. The buttons and everything feel good. They're not all mushy or whatever. Nice firm buttons, and just a nice little case. You know, so far it looks good. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Just a little quick video updating you guys, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video.